Google itself offers a lot of training material, training data, and certifications for those who are interested in becoming experts with Google Analytics. There is no better resource than Google Academy to learn Google Analytics in depth. Google offers 4 certification courses with Google Analytics. All these certifications are free and anyone can pursue them after a good preparation. The 4 certification courses are as follows: Google Analytics for beginners. This shows new users how to create an account, implement the tracking code, and set up data filters. Users learn how to navigate the Google Analytics interface and reports and set up dashboards and shortcuts. The course also demonstrates how to analyze basic audience, acquisition, and behavior reports and set up goals and campaign tracking. This course covers Google Analytics primarily from a measuring traffic perspective. Advanced Google Analytics. This explains how data gets collected and processed into readable reports. Users learn how to configure custom dimensions, custom metrics, and event tracking to collect data that is specific to a business. The course also demonstrates more advanced analytic techniques using segmentation, channel reports, audience reports, and custom reports. It uses marketing strategies like remarketing and dynamic remarketing that show ads to customers who have visited your website. This course covers Google Analytics primarily for measuring website traffic with a major emphasis on the reporting functionality. Google Analytics for power users. This builds on the learner's advanced understanding of Google Analytics. Here, users can learn and practice techniques for comparing visitors who convert with those who don't, analyzing traffic sources that bring the most value, customizing channels for increased actions, identifying top performing content on the site, and improving the e-commerce performance. This course is for those using Google Analytics to measure marketing goals and objectives. If you are new to Google Analytics, you should first complete Google Analytics for beginners and advanced Google Analytics before attempting this course. Getting started with Google Analytics 360. This walks one through the advantages of an enterprise level features of Google Analytics 360. Users learn about advanced features such as roll-up reporting, custom funnels, unsampled reports, and custom tables. Users also gain insight into how to benefit from reporting with BigQuery and other native integrations, along with Google Marketing Platform products and Google Ad Manager. Throughout the course, users are provided with real-world examples to illustrate how to leverage Analytics 360 features and integrations to drive performance and achieve business goals. However, please note that Google Analytics 360 is the paid version of Google Analytics for business. Feel free to attempt the various certifications of Google Analytics from the Google Academy.